Hi guys, so here at London Motorcycle Centre, your vehicle is treated like a king. Hi guys, so I'm Yves from London Motorcycle Centre of the Claims Department, and today I'm here to show you guys our storage facility. Very secure, we got cameras, CCTV and alarm system, operatives 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So at the point of the collection, our delivery driver put the tickets on the bikes to make it organised and easy to take it to you back. Apart from the motorcycle claims, we also do bicycles and cars. So if you have any type of accident, on any vehicle, just give us a shout, we can help you. Right, so talking about the secure access, nobody will have access to your bike apart from our staff team. So don't worry, nobody will touch your bike. So guys, please comment below what you think about the storage facility. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a like, yeah? And also don't forget to check our website. We have many products for motorcycles, and please stay tuned, check it out.